What's going on, you guys? It's George. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to another Tommy Hilfiger experience. Today's video is going to be bold, modern, and luxurious. Why, may you ask? It's because we are unboxing pieces from the Romeo Hunts x Tommy Hilfiger collaboration. We have couture, luxury couture in these bags. Mr. Hunt is a progressive designer that you can catch celebrities such as Beyonce, Zendaya, Hailey Bieber, and Michelle Obama wearing. This whole collection is seriously so beautiful. I'd wear every single piece. It's luxurious, it's modern, it has a twist to it. It was pulled from the Hilfiger archives, and most importantly, it is dual gendered, which is amazing and extremely progressive. Just like how I said, Romeo Hunt is one of those designers that thinks he thinks outside the box, okay? That's what I'm trying to say. Before we get into unboxing these, Romeo actually used his signature deconstruction technique to deliver a fresh take on some of the most iconic Tommy Hilfiger pieces. So a lot of the stuff that you see within this whole collection is basically a modern and progressive approach to some beautiful pieces within the Hilfiger archives. And that's something that really blew me away because I've been collecting vintage Tommy Hilfiger for years now. So to see like a twist on some of the pieces is insane. I love it. So we're gonna dive in just a moment, guys. Before we get started, grab yourself a snack, perhaps a Monster. I have a Starbucks today. I need the energy, an Americana to be precise, and keep on watching. If I seem a little jittery in this video, number one, I am because I'm excited AF to get these bags open, and two, this Americano is strong AF. And I'm lit. So let's get started, guys. First and foremost, though, let me just say thank you so much to the Tommy Hilfiger team for sending these packages my way. This is actually gifted from them to me, and it means the world. I'm continuously grateful for the brands, the empire, and Mr. Hilfiger himself. It's an honor to be on the radar of this company because it is my favorite designer, company, fashion brand, house, lifestyle brand in the entire world. There's like many variations of Tommy Hilfiger to me, so it's like, you know, the list goes on. But let's get started. Let's open these up. With that being said, I have no idea what they sent my way, so this is going to be a complete surprise to me. All I know is, regardless of what is in these bags, I'm going to be happy with any piece because every single product from this collaboration is beautiful. Feels like Christmas morning. Honestly, this is like super exciting. Let me get this open right now. We're going to tear this off the top. Okay, so I think we have a t-shirt and it is gray. This is the one that I wanted. Okay, so gray is like one of my favorite colors in the entire world, but oh my goodness, are you kidding me? This is insane. Size large. Tommy knows me well. Let's get this out of the bag. It even feels super nice. Like, this is a luxury piece. The Romeo Hunt Tommy Hilfiger collaboration is not just any average Tommy Hilfiger collaboration. This is insane. Oh my god. Are you guys seeing this? The sleeves. Oh my goodness. That is insane. So progressive, modern, and just bold is exactly the way that I like to describe Romeo Hunt. He is not your average designer. He is precise, he is insane, he is very significant when it comes to just like adding those little details onto pieces that elevate any type of piece of garment. Like this, for example, that's the Tommy Hilfiger logo, just elevated X Romeo Hunt. Absolutely beautiful. And this is embroidered. This is insane. Oh, okay, the tag. You guys know I like to check out the tags because these are a collector's item all on their own. So we already have the specialty tag right there. This is the back, but it does say Romeo Hunt, Tommy Hilfiger, and of course the customized logo. This is a Make It Possible piece, so it is sustainable. We love that. Now the back. We're not done here. The fronts, yes, the front is super beautiful. It is a statement. But we're not done there. The back. Oh my god. This is gorgeous. Now also something I'm liking too is the length. So for large, this is actually like not too long. So a lot of larges end up being like really long and like excess in the sleeves and stuff, but this seems like it is going to be perfect to my body type. I absolutely love this. This is insane. Holy crap. I'm beyond excited right now. This is amazing. Just to let you know, guys, I am wearing a special Tommy piece for this video. This is one of my favorite Hilfiger collection pieces right here. As you can see, the Giants crest. I was waiting to break this out for something special, and I'm glad that I waited because this moment is it. All right, we have one more bag right here. So if this is what they sent me for the first one, I don't know if I'm ready for this. I need to take a breath. Okay, all right, I'm ready. I'm just kidding. No, I'm not. I actually need a sip of coffee too.
A few moments later.
I'm too much, I know. Don't judge me. Let's get this one open too. God, you guys, do you have a favorite from the collection? If you do, sound off in the comments down below, because I don't even know if I do, to be honest. All right, that's what we see on the inside. I don't know what this is, but it is green. And this collection is about bold colors, very bold colors, like this green. Oh my goodness. It feels super luxurious. Holy crap. Oh wow, you guys, this is a remarkable piece. Oh my god. So that's the front, the back. The back is everything. Wait till you see this. That is beautiful. Everything as far as details go, like check out the zippers that are on here. They're custom Tommy Hilfiger zippers. They're insane. We have a lot of just moments going on here. So this is gonna make it sized for you. So if you want to be more fit, that's what this is for. But even the materials on here, insane. Okay, so I'm gonna actually try this on the inside. I need to show this off, guys. We're getting a full tour of this jacket because this is so extraordinary. This is the inside. We have a beautiful yellow. What do you want to call this color? Is this like a Tweety bird color? I don't know, but this is a beautiful shade of yellow as well. This Kelly green, I think this is more like a Kelly green. I don't know, it reminds me of like something tropical-esque. Oh, wow. Okay, this is insane. Wow. What do you guys think? Am I worthy to wear this? This feels super nice, very comfortable. It has weight to it. Oh, did you guys see the sleeve? Am I just noticing this now? Look at that sleeve. Wow. There's the back. This is a size large, by the way, so it fits amazing. Fits just right. And it feels like it was made for me. This feels like a tailored piece. I am about like 6 foot, 5'11", so this is a large on me. My body type is slim, and this is everything. Note to self, this is not a vest. This is actually a blazer. It's called the boxer blazer. Oh my god, you guys. So there's actually several variations of how you can wear this. You could pretty much zip down as much as you want, but I learned the hard way. It is not a vest. So once you zip these off, the part here and here does not zip together to like close this up to like zip down the middle, if that makes any sense. I'm trying to like paint a visual, but yes, it is not a vest. So this is a blazer, and I work within corporate America aside from doing YouTube and content creation and social media. So this is going to be coming in handy. One of the features that I like probably the most is how they just have like the shoulders open like this. I feel like it's so edgy, it's cool, it's unique, and it just gives such like an elevation to any outfit. I mean, I'm just wearing a simple Tommy Hilfiger short sleeve button down right now, and I feel like this, I feel like $1 million. Honestly, I feel like $1 million. Like, this is Romeo Hunt. You killed it. You are an icon within the fashion industry. You've made your mark, and you've definitely influenced me to shop more of your pieces outside of Tommy Hilfiger. So thank you so much for this collaboration. Thank you so much, Tommy Hilfiger, for collaborating with such a mastermind. One more thing that I admire about this collaboration is that it builds off of Tommy's People Place program, which is a mission to advance representation in the arts, fashion, and beyond. That is something that a lot of companies do not really focus on, and Tommy Hilfiger has done that from the beginning. So I'm always thankful for that aspect of Tommy, and that this collaboration does focus on that as well. All right, guys, I'm gonna wrap up this video. Thank you so much for hanging out with me during this Tommy Hilfiger x Romeo Hunts experience. This has been insane. I'm never taking this off. I am super grateful and beyond excited to own something from this capsule because it is iconic. If you have the chance to grab something from the Tommy Hilfiger x Romeo collab, please do yourself the favor. It is beyond. The quality, the presentation, everything about it is just legendary, iconic. And if you're a Tommy collector, lover, enthusiast like myself, then you have to add something from this line in your collection. Alrighty guys, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you're not already, please subscribe to my channel. I would love your company. I talk all things Tommy on this channel. I have a playlist with all my videos. It's like over 2 hours worth of content. So if you have some time, binge it. I also do have the dedicated Instagram page known as the House of Hilfiger. I'll leave all the information down below. Do not forget to tag or hashtag and hashtag House of Hilfiger to be featured on the page. Also, my personal Instagram is right here at 𝗏𝗏 if you want to follow me on there as well. Do not forget to click that notification bell. Again, that is super important because the bell is going to notify you when I upload new videos. So if you want to stay in touch, click that bell. And until next time, as always, say thanks, give compliments, and think positive. And I'll catch you in the next video. Bye, guys.